Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I recently bought H&M nail polishes on Shopee, and I ordered 3. We have Cozy Up, Sweetness, and Wildwood. Then after a few days, I browsed the same Shopee store again, and finally this shade is available. So I bought 2 shades of Big Night Out. Okay, so now let's proceed on swatching these 4 nail polishes. Let's first try out Wildwood. Of course, before applying or swatching nail polishes, I'm applying a peel-off base coat first. Now for the second coat. Wildwood has a warm green tone that will surely remind you of nature. This one has a creme formulation. Second shade to swatch is Sweetness. Now for the second coat. Sweetness has an iridescent finish with purple and pink shimmer, and it has like a neutral pink undertone to it. Third we have is Cozy Up. Now for the second coat. Cozy Up has a very calming neutral nude shade with a hint of gold shimmer. And lastly we have is Big Night Out. Now for the second coat. Big Night Out has a hollow iridescent finish that will surely catch everyone's attention. Loving that all of them dry super fast. The brush they have is my favorite kind of brush, which is a flat rounded edge. The formulation is super easy to apply and I'm loving their bottles too. Their nail polishes are super opaque within 2 coats. Bought these H&M nail polishes on LSS Closet on Shopee. I'll be leaving the link down below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!